Kind of a neat little waterfall here. It's just a little trickle, but there's quite a bit of water coming down that actually. I mean, there's a pretty good stream. It wouldn't take very long to fill up a lot of, like a swimming pool or something. But what's strange about this is it comes on down here like so, runs right on down like that. There's a pretty good stream of it right there. And that's it. There's a pipe right there. It has a few drips coming out of it. Right there. But then you come on down the hill. There's nothing. It's gone. There's a culvert under the road, but it's not needed. And the funny thing is it doesn't show up down any lower either. Let's see if we can see where this is just actually going. Gone. Pretty good amount of water, really. I mean, the ground doesn't look that porous to me, but it must be. It must have a big crack coming down in there someplace that it's all running into and coming out at the bottom somewhere, but I've never really seen it come out down below. It's got to be running down into a kind of almost a cave type of crack. Yeah, no water at all down in the bottom. That looks like it might be an old culvert. I can't tell. Maybe it's a... Yeah, I think that is a culvert right there. But not a drop. It's magic. That's what it is. Anyway, I thought it was interesting.